What is going on, guys? Welcome to the DIY surf rack. Here you go. Here's a screenshot with the materials I used. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these videos. Alright, so as you can see, I'm grabbing some water. This is for the quick drying cement. Asked my wife to help me out over here for a bit. Make sure the poles were level. So I did the 2 buckets at first, and then after the buckets I got into the top part of the surf racks. So just measuring it out a little bit. Didn't do this too perfectionistic, since it's just a hobby project, not a professional shaper or whatever. I can even barely surf, so you know, this is just a fun project for me. Pre-drilled some holes. Also used a multi-tool to sink in the holes for the drills a little bit, and I just wanted to try that out, see if it would work. Got this multi-tool today, so figured I'd make some use of it, see what it does. The wood I used is just some basic timber. It's nothing special. You can just get it at every local hardware store, and I guess you'll figure it out on your own. Probably about the screws, just basic screws, but I did use some longer screws, just to make sure everything is solid and steady. As you can see, we got this U shape, and this is basically the second one. As you can see, switched off my shorts because it's really hot over here in the Netherlands right now. So this one, also the battery from the died, so you know, and this is the end result. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.